morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning. It's Saturday morning. I don't even know. Okay, so this week, is it focusing on me? Can you see me? This week we are cleaning out those closets behind me. It's a big giant mess. There's things in there I'm not using anymore and or don't need. And it's a disorder. I have trouble finding anything that's in there. So we are going to clean it out. I am still in my house clothes or whatever pajama. Anyway, you're going to have to just be okay with seeing me in my pajamas. First thing we're going to do, empty the entire thing out because I just cannot. We have to empty the whole thing out. All right, and I realized that I really need to do this when I went to go use a paper punch and the handle broke. Now I did glue it back together. Is it going to hold? I don't know, but it's part of what we're going to do today and we're going to find out. I don't use these little small punches that much anymore. I use the bigger ones when I do use them, or I just cut the shape by hand. So they all might need to go. All right, I'll be back. Let's get started. One good thing I did this morning, not taking a shower yet. I'm a sweaty mess, and I've got a bigger pile than I thought I would of things I can let go of that I know I'm not going to use and or I had too many of, so I'm keeping some and letting go of the rest. First thing I'm going to do is message the family, and they can come and see what of it they want. We will take it all out to the garage and put it in there, and they can have at it. All right. A couple more things to do. I'll be back. Okay, I think I have everything back in there I want in there. I think. Time to clean up the mess of things I think I want to get rid of. And I might be able to, there it is right there. Push the acrylic painting cart into the closet next to the easel, which is where I want it when I'm not using it. First, we're gonna clean up. I'll be back. is closed. Everything I'm getting rid of is out in the hallway. I'll show you a picture of that in a minute. I need to vacuum because now there's little hole punches and bits of stuff all over the floor. The floor was clean before I got started. I also am going to get my bin of fabric scraps off the floor, and put it where this bin of polyfill and stuffing used to be, which is now in the closet. And that way I can reach it a little easier because your girl's not getting any younger. Anyway, all right. Let's also close up the sharp pointy thing. All right, let's get it done. Everything downstairs and get myself cleaned up because I'm a hot mess, literally. All right, I'll be back. As as I used to be. I gotta sit down for a minute. Plus, it's time to take my asthma meds. Anyway, worst case scenario, I wait until Mr. gets back and he helps me get the rest of it downstairs. Anyway, it's been an adventure. Found things in there I didn't know I had still. You know, your art room, if it's like mine and most other people I know who have a creative space, you know, the churning of the supplies is part of your creative process. And cleaning out spaces, things that you want to keep but you're not using right now, you want to be able to put away. Other things that you are using that are put away, you want to bring out. That's part of the creative process. We did the desk last week, and that was really good and cleared some space, made it less chaotic over there. Although little mister's not too happy that I moved Oma's fun colored markers because we like to play with the markers. And we tried to take them downstairs yesterday. But we didn't get far. Those stay in the art room. Anyway, yeah, stop putting it off. Get some help. Don't be me and wait till you're home alone. Get some help, and some help that you can trust to not be overly judgmental about your space, because that's important. And I never realized how important that was until recently. This is my creative space. I don't need your judgment, and it's not appreciated. Those of you in real life that are negative, you know who I mean. Anyway, all right, that's it for the minute. I'm going to catch my breath, which I'm getting there, and then I'm going to get the rest of the stuff downstairs and get myself changed and ready for the rest of the day. What is that going to be? I think just going to run errands, the ones we haven't done yet. So that's all right. No problem with that. And then I'll be working on a couple of projects downstairs, one of which is our little crochet zombie bear amigurumi. That's what I'm calling him. I used the base pattern from this book here. I'll put the title right here, and I will link the Amazon listing for it down below. It's not my pattern, so I'm not going to do a tutorial. And the picture was just something I saw on social media. I don't know from whom. I'll put a picture of my finished bear right here. And yeah. All right. So if I can do this, you can do this. make your creative space be what you need it to be, and get some help if you need to lift the heavy things. Again, don't do it by yourself. Don't be me. And, you know, like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. And go out and do something nice for yourself, because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys. All I can say is that's going to be some chaotic fun editing. Holy cow. All right, I'm going to get everything else downstairs and take a shower.